Hi, I'm Roxana from WPState, and in this video I will show you how to set up the multi-currency feature in WPResidence theme. This allows your visitors to switch currencies instantly while you continue to manage your entire business in your single main currency. The WPResidence multi-currency system is a display-only conversion tool. This means that you will set one main currency and that currency will be used for submission and payment process. The secondary currencies are calculated on the fly for the user reference only. The step one is to set the main currency. For that you need to go to Theme Options, General, Price and Currency. Here at the top you set the currency that you want to use for submission. This will be considered the main currency. You need to choose the symbol, the label, and where to show the currency symbol, before or after. To add secondary currencies and exchange rates, you will need to scroll down to this section, and here you add the options for your visitors. I will show an example. I will add the currency symbol, I will add the currency label, the currency value compared to the main currency. I will add a random value and select where the currency needs to be displayed. I will click to add the currency, you will see it here, and I will save changes. The most important part is the exchange rate. This is the value relative to your main currency. You can add the rates manually, or if you want them to update automatically every day, you can set the currency layer API and enable the automatic daily exchange rate updates. I will show how to do this. I will enable the option and I will go to currency layer to create the API key. First, you will need to sign up. I'll select the free option, add all your details here, and after login, you'll have the API key here. You can copy and paste it in Theme Options. Save changes, and once this is done, the currency values will be updated once a day automatically. On my example, I have added the multi-currency widget in the top bar, but you can also add it in any page sidebar or in footer. To do that, you will need to go to Admin, Appearance, Widgets, select the section where you want to display the widget. I will add it in the primary widget area. You can add it here and look for the currency widget, select it and update changes, or you can also find it in the widgets list here. You can also add this widget in any of the available footer areas. Once you are done, the drop down with the currency selected in Theme Options will show, and when visitor will click one of the existing currencies, the price will change. This wraps our video. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notifications on new videos.